Hi, I'm Sonia. Did you know that you can clean your bathroom quickly, effectively, and thoroughly with just one cleaning product? All you need is dishwashing liquid. In addition to dishwashing liquid, you'll need the following items. 2 rags. I get mine from the automotive section at Costco. A large bowl, a duster, and optionally a pair of gloves. Let's get rolling. Pour about half a teaspoon of dishwashing liquid into your bowl. Fill your bowl with warm water. Soak one of the rags in the soapy water. Start cleaning your bathroom from the top down. So take your duster and dust all the surfaces from the top down. You can clean your mirror with the soapy solution. Take your dry rag and wipe the soap off. Use the same soapy solution to clean your sink and countertop. Dishwashing soap is also safe to use on our faucets. Wipe off your jars and bottles if they need it. Wipe down your drawers and cabinet faces. Dry if necessary. Let's move on to the bathtub. Before you start cleaning the bathtub, remove everything from it. Soap up your rag again, squeeze it out, and wipe your tub surround or shower surround from top to bottom. Don't forget to clean your faucets. Add more soapy water and clean the shower or tub. Rinse out your rag with clear water and rinse off the soap. Now would be a good time to get rid of the hairball. While you're putting your shampoos and soaps back, it's a good idea to take inventory of what you have and make a note of what you might need to replenish. I'm low on body wash. If you have a shower curtain, keep it open so mold doesn't grow. If you have a glass shower enclosure, you can use the soapy water on that as well. And now the part that everyone dreads, the toilet. Guess what? You can use the same soapy water. No need for fancy products. Soak a rag, squeeze it out, and wipe down every inch of the toilet, starting from the least dirty to the most dirty parts. Now that this rag has touched the toilet, it's going right into the wash. To clean the inside of the toilet, dump some of your soapy solution into the toilet. Use your toilet bowl scrubber to clean. Remember, we're cleaning from top to bottom. We've done all the fixtures. The only thing left is the floor. You can use a mop, but I've found that cleaning the bathroom floor by hand really works best. And it doesn't take very long, unless you have a huge bathroom, which I don't. Take your remaining rag, wet it, squeeze it out, and clean the baseboards first. Make your way around the bathroom. And there you have it, how to clean your bathroom in about 10 minutes using only one cleaning product. If your bathroom is cleaned every week, you shouldn't have much grime built up. But if your bathroom is a bit of a disaster and you need to know how to deep clean, check back with me because I'll have a video on that shortly.